So welcome guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Troopers. I'm back with another one. In this video, in the last two videos which I have made, I have promised you that I will make YouTube series videos from creating a YouTube channel to deleting a YouTube channel. Every videos I will upload in this channel, and other than these things, other technical related or any other related videos I will be uploading over in this channel. So first of all, the first video of the YouTube series I have made was to how to create a YouTube channel. I have seen that many of you guys don't know how to make it, so just for them I have created a video. So just check out, I will be giving the link of the first video how to create a YouTube channel. Just go in the description, you will find it there. Secondly, I have made the second video, that is how to verify your YouTube channel. You know why verification of a YouTube channel is needed? Because if your channel is not verified, then you will not be able to upload videos more than 15 seconds. Okay, more than, sorry, 15 minutes. 15 minutes, I hope so. Yeah, 15 minutes. Okay. Then also you will not be able to give any thumbnails which you can see on the YouTube videos. You cannot give your own thumbnails on your videos. So the verification of a YouTube channel is very important. And also, if your channel get monetized you cannot get that money actually. So verification is needed. So now in this video I will be showing you how to upload a video effectively actually. Okay, how effectively you can upload a video, every steps and everything you will get here, and you will get to know how to do it effectively. So very first of all, you have to open your browser, any browser you can open, and search YouTube Studio. Okay, then you can see here, let me just show you this line. Let me show you this YouTube Studio. Here it is written. So you have to, what you have to do is just hold it. If you don't have YouTube Studio app, if you don't have, I'm telling you, if you don't have, click YouTube Studio app, then just tap on it and another tab will open. Since those who have YouTube Studio app, for those, if you tap it, then the YouTube Studio app will be getting open. So I don't want the Studio app to be open, so I will just, what you have to do is just click and hold it, then you will find it open in new tab in new group. Okay, so you just have to click on this. So here you can see a new tab has opened. So now what you have to do is just click on this tab. Okay, just click on this tab. So let me, and remember to make it on desktop site. Okay, so it will be easier to control the website over here. Let's let it come. So it's already a desktop site. Okay, so it is that account which I have made to show you how to create your YouTube channel. So today I will show you how to upload a video. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do is, let me just thin it. Here you can see the create option. Okay, this create option. Okay, you have to click on it. Then you can see here that upload videos and go live options. You are not eligible to go live just after creating a YouTube channel. Okay, you have to hit 1k subscribers, then only you can be eligible to go live using the YouTube. Okay, just by clicking this go live, after 1k subscribers you will be eligible to make go live on the YouTube. Rather those who are the gamers, upcoming gamers, and those who will go live stream, want to live stream before 1k subscribers, they can use the third party apps. So first of all, what we want to do is just, we don't want to go live today, so we want to upload videos. So here you can see upload videos, just in the upper side of the go live. You have to click on this upload videos. Let me show you again. Here it is written upload videos. Just click on this upload videos. Okay, so now you can see select files. The files, I mean those things, those files, those that particular video which you want to upload in your account, in your YouTube channel, you have to select it from here. You have to click on this select file. Okay, let me show you. You have to click on the select file. Okay, then you have to shoot. Then you can generally go to the files to if you have pre-recorded your videos or pre-downloaded anything, you just have to click on the files or gallery, whatever. If you want to capture it the live one, then you can go for the video or camera. I have already downloaded one video to just for the example to show you. Let me show you. I am going for the files, uh, not this one, sorry. I have just downloaded this file. Let me show you, and you can see that this is uploading actually, I mean it is selecting actually. Okay, first of all, here let me show you. Here, sorry guys, sorry, just wait. First of all, here you will see many steps. These steps are actually the best effective way to how to upload a effective video. So first of all, here you can add the title of the video. Those you can see on the title in the YouTube applications. You can see the titles, description actually, titles also. Here you can apply the title, and at this here you can just add your description of the video. Okay, what I've told, just let me write a video. You can see the title over here, which the video title. You can change it accordingly. On it's up to you that how you want to change your videos. Just click on it and write your own title. After that you can just add your description. Let me write cinematic video. Okay, done. Here you can at this place, let me show you. At this place you can add the thumbnail actually. The thumbnail, if you have pre-designed, pre-edited thumbnail in your file gallery or anywhere in your folders, you can just click on the upload thumbnail and it will just open your application site from where you can choose your thumbnails. And these things are just like this, the pictures. If you clicking on this, see here the picture is changing. If you click on this again, it is accordingly on the video signs that how you will change your thumbnail actually. Okay, that's up to you. If you have pre edited thumbnail, you can just go for the choose. And remember, if you have created any playlist, you can select it from here. You can select it from here, the playlist, and then before uploading your videos you have to choose here that is your video made for kids or not. Okay, is your video made for kids or not? If it's made for kids, select this option. If your video is not made for kids, then select this option. Okay, then if you selected that your video is not made for kids, then click on this. Then it is showing age restriction. Don't restrict my videos to viewers over 18 only. Okay, so if you are selecting this, no, it's not made for kids, just select, let it be like this only. No, don't restrict my video over 18 only. Okay, you can click on this show more option also. If your videos have ads, any sponsorship like video, then you can checklist this mark. Okay, you can just tick on this mark. mm, you can also add chapters like tags over here, and you can add, see, I mean, captions also. You can also add recording date, everything over here, people and vlogs, comments, hold potentially everything here. After these things are done, what you have to do is, just wait. You have to go to the second option, that is by clicking on this dot. If this one is tick marked, then you will get to know that this is completed. You can add an end screen. Okay, like if you previously have made any other videos, you can add those things over here. Okay, add those things. Let me just see if anything is there now. No, it is also completed. I don't have to give anything. Let's go to the copyright section. Okay, in the copyright section here, you have to wait for some minutes, for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, just for YouTube to check if there is any copyright issues. This is the best part of this system actually, this step. Suppose if you are not using this procedure which I am showing actually, you are just going to YouTube Studio in normal YouTube app and just uploading your videos. What happens then, if your video have any copyright issue, copyright strike, then after uploading the video, your video will get copyright strike and copyright claim. Then your video will be removed and you will get a copyright strike. If you get a copyright strike, your channel will it will be red alert, I mean red marked on your channel. Okay, that is not good actually, that is not good. So use this step actually, this procedure is very good, because YouTube previously says your video has a copyright claim or your copyright strike, don't upload this video. They will not allow you to upload this video if you have a copyright strike. If you have a copyright claim, that's not that matters, but you will not be eligible to get the fundings, I mean the money from that particular video which have copyright claim. But if it has a copyright strike, YouTube will not allow you to upload this video. Okay, this is very, after you can see over here that let me show you, there is a tick mark. You can see there is a tick mark which is showing that there is no copyright issues. Okay, so let's go to the next step by clicking on this one, and this is the last step. This is the last step. What you have to do over here, if you want to publish your video, what you have to do here is just make it public. If you want to make your videos everyone watch your videos, you go for the public one. If you don't want it, if you want to selectively, then you can go to unlisted and share the link with those people. Okay, but I want to go for the public actually. If you want to premiere your videos, if you want to instant premiere, actually instant, I mean just process the video and set as instant premiere. After you uploading, it will get premiered. Okay, but if you want to get I want to schedule your video, the premiere timings, like you can see on the YouTube channel showing it will go live, it will get premiered at this time. Okay, so you can just click on this schedule option, you can go for that. But if you don't want that, leave it as it is. Don't have to do anything, just click on this public option and it's all done. Let me just get out of this desktop site actually. I'm just reloading this page again. No worries, I will show you again whatever I've done. Let it come actually. Let me upload the video again. I will show you again what I have done. Just follow my steps. Okay, what I am doing. Select files. I'm going to the files actually. um, I'm selecting the video. The title is given, thumbnail also given. No, not made for kids, age restriction, don't restrict my video, show more. No paid promotions, nothing. uh, Everything done over here. Then next, go to the next step. No, nothing, no end screen. Going to the, since you can see that my video is actually processing, that's why it hasn't shown anything right now. Still, after my video gets processed, it will show you if that is there, if any copyright is there or not, copyright issue. See, here is time. It is showing the time limit. It will take this amount of time, and you can see that there is no copyright issue. Okay, so now I'm going next. Visibility, which I have shown you, I will make it public. There is nothing, everything check, and now I will publish it, and the video gradually gets published. I will show you in my and now you can just copy this link from here, which you guys know actually what to do from here. Okay, what you can do is just copy this one from here, or you can share the link using WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, or anything from these things. Okay, and since I am not sharing this link, I am just keeping it back. My video is actually published, I hope so. Let me just see channel content. If you go for the channel content, sorry guys, wait, let me zoom out this page. You can see over my video is published, it is written published. Since the last one I just I just reloaded the page, it was saved as a draft which didn't get published, but this one is published. You can see it is written public. No restriction means no copyright strike or claims. It is public. There are 29, no views, 0 comments, because still now there is no subscribers, that's why. So just like this you can just upload the video. I will delete this video just for example. I kept it, rather I will just delete it. Okay, it will take time. So this was all about the how to uh, upload a video very effectively, a very effective method, by checking those copyright issues, copyright strikes, everything. Will get to know how to upload the video from instant premiere to how you can go premiere, how you can go live, everything. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you will like the video. It will be informative for you guys. In the next video I will give the links of the previous two videos in the description, and in the next coming videos I will show you how to, and let's see, I will show you something, the next steps for making your YouTube channel better. Okay, and until that, peace out, stay safe.